issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in Florida, Bay County in Florida, northwestern Gulf County in Florida, western Calhoun County in Florida, eastern Holmes County in Florida, Washington County in Florida, until 6:15
That's a
p.m.
big
Central
storm,
Daylight
and
Time.
the recock went off.
At 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of
Version 3 of Carson Noah.
moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. These storms have a history of blowing down trees and power lines. Hazard,
It's
60
just
miles per hour
it's a
wind
new
gusts.
storm, so how could it have a history?
Radar
If
indicators.
it's
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Has that
Locations
storm
impacted
just
include
came along
Panama
or
City,
something?
Lynn Haven, Vernon, Chipley, Graceville, Bonifay, Mariana, Springfield, Highland
Geneva,
Park, Bradford,
Bonifay,
Malone,
Geneva,
Cottondale,
Face
Greenwood,
Chiefs, and
Alfred,
some.
Wausau, Campbellton, Bascom, Moose Pond,
Face
College
Chiefs.
Station, and Camps Head. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Calhoun and Jackson.